Hello everyone. Today we will be unboxing and installing FuelX Lite module in Vitpilen 250. Let's begin with the unboxing. Here you can see I got the FuelX Lite in this packaging from LRL Motors. You can see the Race Dynamics branding. It costed me 6,500 rupees. Let's proceed with the unboxing. This is the box for the FuelX Auto-Tune by Race Dynamics. Here you can see the features and benefits of this device. Some more details are mentioned in the backside. Let's open the box and see what's inside. First, we have the module. You can see the connector here and the braided cables. It seems to be of very good quality. Here we have the zip ties to secure the cables and a keychain.
Next, we have the connector cables. The white one is for connecting the FuelX module, and the green ones are connected with the O2 sensor in the bike. At last, we have the quick start guide and warranty card. Let's start with the installation. Here I have removed the ignition coil cover, as you can see. This is the ground wire. And behind this we have the green O2 sensor connector, which we need for installing FuelX. Here I have routed the wire which came with the module. The white side connects with the FuelX, and we have the thin black ground wire, which needs to be connected to the battery's negative terminal. And I have routed it from here. Then here we have the two green connectors, which should be in line with the O2 sensor connectors. Just push them all back inside, secure the wires with zip ties if required, and then reinstall the ignition coil and its cover. You can see here, everything is installed. This wire is also zip tied in place to avoid rattling. And then, from here, we have connected the thin ground wire to battery's negative terminal and routed the wire from here to here, where FuelX module is placed. Let's start the bike and see how it goes. First, you need to start the bike and let it idle until this red lights turn green. As you can see, it has turned green. Now we are good to go.